Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one of the box of 84 of glue stick. I think original price was like $29.99 and it was on sale for like 25 something. And the other item is heat transferring vinyl that I got. I think I got a pretty good price. I think $19.99 for like a 44 foot or something. So, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. I purchased with my own money. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the product. Did somebody just open this or did it got damage? So I got the white color this time since I have black and red. So it is better if you purchase a bigger roll. It is cheaper. I think last time I purchased on eBay 8 foot. It was like $8.99 or $9.99. So oh, this one's heavy. And this one's the AdTech hot glue, #1 hot glue brand. It says crystal clear, ultra clear premium bond glue. And this is 10 inch by 0.44 inch. Or 254 millimeter by 11.2 millimeter, full size, multi-purpose. So yeah, at first I saw this on Home Depot and it was also out. So lucky I searched on Amazon, and this is the 85 glue sticks. Let's go and then open it up. So let me show you the one that I got from Home Depot. So this is the one that I got from Home Depot. The review on this one was 5 out of 5 star, the Aero brand. It says all purpose. So this one only has 12 glue sticks. So it says 10 inch by ½ inch. And I got the glue gun that for it, so I had to purchase this one. By the way, this is like $7.98. So it is cheaper to buy the whole box. So I was thinking about returning this one because let me check the size real quick. Yeah, it looks like it's the same size. Just to make sure I could insert this in there. So So actually $7.97 for the glue sticks, and then $14.27 for the glue gun. So this one comes with the 3 of the glue sticks already. It's a shorter size, and this one is craft wood and fabric. And this one is the dual temperature glue guns. Yeah, let me go get a scissor to cut this open and insert it in there and see. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it open. Alright, so yeah, it fits perfectly. So there's a stand. And then a high and low temperature setting. So yeah, since I overpaid on this one, I'm just gonna return this without opening it. So yeah. So yeah, this one is gonna last me a lifetime. So anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.